Ever been told you need full coverage for your car, and then wondered what that actually means? Is it some fancy policy? A special plan that covers everything? Actually, there's no such thing as a policy called full coverage. But don't worry, in this video, I'll break it down into 5 simple steps so you know exactly what to look for when someone says full coverage car insurance. Step 1. Understand what full coverage really means. The first thing to know is that full coverage isn't a specific insurance product. It's just a common way people describe a combination of different coverages that protect both you and your car. So instead of one single policy called full coverage, it usually means your car insurance includes liability coverage, collision, comprehensive, and maybe a few extras. Let's go through them one by one. Step 2. Liability insurance, the must-have. This is the foundation of every auto policy, and it's legally required in almost every state. Liability insurance helps pay for the other person's medical bills or car repairs if you cause an accident. But here's the catch, liability only covers the other driver. It won't pay for your injuries or damage to your own car. That's why liability alone is not full coverage, it's just a starting point. Step 3. Covering yourself, collision, comprehensive, and medical coverage. Now let's talk about the coverages that actually protect you and your vehicle. Collision coverage helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident, whether you hit another car, a tree, or a pole. Comprehensive coverage steps in when your car is damaged by something other than a crash, like theft, vandalism, fire, or even falling tree branches. And don't forget medical payments coverage or personal injury protection, PIP. These help pay your medical bills if you or your passengers are injured in an accident, no matter who was at fault. Together, these coverages fill the gaps liability leaves behind. This is where the idea of full coverage starts to make sense. Step 4. Don't forget the extras, rental and uninsured motorist coverage. 2 optional but super useful coverages often included in a full coverage setup are transportation expense coverage, also called rental reimbursement. This pays for a rental car or other transportation while your car is being repaired from a covered claim. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. If someone hits you and they don't have insurance, or not enough of it, this helps cover your expenses. These may not be required, but they add a lot of value, especially if you want peace of mind on the road. Step 5. When do you actually need full coverage? If your car is leased or you're still paying off a loan, your lender will usually require you to have collision and comprehensive coverage, meaning full coverage is basically mandatory. But if your vehicle is fully paid off, those coverages are optional. Still, they're a smart choice if your car's value is high or you couldn't easily afford to replace it out of pocket. Also, remember that each coverage comes with limits, the max your insurer will pay, and deductibles, what you pay before insurance kicks in. The higher your deductible, the lower your premium, but the more you'll pay if something happens. So in simple terms, full coverage usually means liability coverage for the other driver, collision coverage for your car in a crash, comprehensive coverage for non-crash damage, medical or PIP coverage for your injuries, and maybe rental and uninsured motorist coverage too. It's not a one-size-fits-all policy, but a smart combination of protections that keep you covered from all angles. Are you looking for a trusted insurance provider? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.